Vaibhav Suryavanshi, absolutely crazy. He's still a youngster. He's a baby. We saw him perform at the IPL, and I thought, okay, hold on. This guy's got some talent, but there's going to be a lot of obstacles, ups and downs throughout his career. Went back to the under 19s. I think for most players or people who sort of get a taste for the highest level, to step down and find that same kind of passion and drive and intensity at a lower level is really difficult. And I've got so much respect for him at his young age to have the maturity to come a step down. You could easily be arrogant about it and go like, this is not for me, this is too low as of a level. But he was so professional in his performances. I'm not only talking about the many runs he scored. Yes, highest run scorer of the tournament, trophies left, right, and center, medals, great stuff. But the way he carried himself, the way he approached each and every single game, every single ball he faced with a lot of aggression, a lot of skill, but determination. He does the basics well. And it shows you, doesn't matter what kind of level he plays at, he loves the game and he wants to do well. He wants to become a great. And I still stick to my story. There will be a lot of ups and downs. It's not going to be all smooth sailing for him. But we all know the mental side of the game plays a huge role in someone's career. And he will have to face those battles at some stage where there might be a lean patch or two. You'll start feeling the expectation of having to perform every single game. But I've no doubt that he's got what it takes to find a way to work through that. He's already showing signs, stepping down a level and still showing the same kind of basics.